This thing does work. This is the elevator. Famous Footwear in Herald Square. I'm gonna get copyright claimed. It's coming. It's an Alex and Sons elevator. I just wrote this up. Something for Ethan. Here it comes. Has these rare JetPlus, all white JetPlus. These are pretty rare fixtures. Where the hell is it? It's only a 3-story elevator. It shouldn't take this long. Oh yeah, it jolts going up, so I'm running for a ride here. Here it is. I don't know. Alright. Try this glorious piece of machinery right here. It's a basement. This is a lovely piece of machinery. Oh my god. This thing runs great. This literally looks like an elevator straight out of Hofstra University. I'm not even kidding. Alex and Sons. There's an inspection certificate. Basement is associates only. Oh god. At least the door close button works. Alright, here we go. God. We'll end it on 1. I probably won't watch it close because there's a ton of employees here. But these are pretty rare fixtures. I do like these buttons. I've seen these one other time. It's the Holiday Inn in Plainview. Dang, this one sounds like it flies going down. I don't know why a ton of employees told me that this thing doesn't work. It clearly does. That's it.